from rainy and cold Portland, Oregon. Today is Sunday and I'm going to take you along on our day. We've had a lazy morning so far. Here's the remnants of Sunday morning breakfast. I always try to make, when I make a big breakfast, I try to make extra so that I don't have to make breakfast every day. Whenever I have leftover homemade bread, when it starts piling up, because sometimes we don't get through all of it, I make it into French toast. Everybody loves that. Since we are into December now, we are also into truffle making season. So we started on that yesterday, got a couple of batches of truffles made to the point of being rolled, like the filling rolled into balls. They still need to be dipped and sprinkled, but I think I'm going to try to get all of the batches rolled into balls and then do all the dipping after that. So this year we're making 6 flavors. The new special flavor is raspberry, and we're going to do it like we do the lemon truffles. So it's like sour, and it's made with white chocolate instead of regular chocolate. So it's like a white chocolate creamy sour raspberry truffle. I need to do a test batch of those just to make sure. I think the recipe will be pretty easy to throw together because it's based on the lemon truffle recipe. But we need to just, you got to make it and try it and see how it turns out. I had to order raspberry extract from Amazon, and that's supposed to get delivered today. So depending on what time it gets delivered, I may try to make a test batch of that today. I am going to get going on a couple more of the chocolate truffles. For the chocolate ones, we're doing almond, peppermint, rum, and orange. And I made and rolled the, I didn't do it alone. We made and rolled the almond and peppermint yesterday, so I need to do orange and rum. And the only thing I'm missing to do those is some oranges for the orange zest. I forgot to grab that at the store. I have the extracts, but I don't have the orange zest. So I may run to the store a little bit later. I was considering the possibility of running to Costco to see if they have stuff for making breakfast sandwiches. They were out of the sausages last time I was there, and we are out of breakfast sandwiches, and that just makes my life so much easier to have those to grab whenever anybody needs them. So I kind of really would like to get those done. So anyways, I'm going to run to the store today. I'm just not sure which store. Might be Costco, but I'll take you along with me if I do. Do you need to go potty? Okay, run to the potty. Levi is doing so well with potty training, and it feels surreal to be without diapers in the house. It's been, 9 years since I haven't had a kid in diapers. We still do the occasional pull-up because we're not completely done yet, but it just feels crazy. There's no diaper changing table. There's no diapers. And I say 9 years because that's when Talia was born, almost 10 years ago now. But I had a break between Autumn and Talia because they're 5 years apart. So I had Autumn in diapers, obviously, and then I had like 3 or 4 year break. Yeah, 3 year break. So nearly 10 years straight of diapers. You want to eat this chocolate? Yeah, we're going to eat some, but just wait. We're going to make our truffles first. Did you wash your hands? Yeah, you did. Oh, not yet. Just wait.
Eat this, Mom.
Not yet. Put it back. Thank you. Hold on. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's keep this here, and we got our pan here so that we can heat up the cream. We got to get to, 18 ounces? Yeah, 18 ounces of cream. You ready? You want to help me pour?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on to it. Let's pour it in. Whoa, look at all that. Stop. Oh, we got 19 ounces. Oops. We'll put a little bit back. What does that look like?
Num.
It looks like num-num?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. You excited to do the chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate don't need.
Chocolate doesn't go in the pan. I'll show you how it works.
Yeah.
We've got our chocolate over here, see?
Eat it, me.
Not yet. I'll open it. You want to dump them into the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Nice job.
Not more.
You got more?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Not more.
Not more?
Right there.
More right there?
More gone.
Yeah, those ones are gone. Oh, Careful, careful.
My friend.
Uh-oh. You stinker. Did you take a chocolate chip?
Yeah.
All right, no more. We gotta finish our work before we eat any more chocolate, okay? Say, okay, Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, we got more chocolate chips to put in. Those are the milk chocolate. Now we gotta put in the semi-sweet. You wanna put these in?
Yeah.
There we go. Woo, woo! Put it in. No, put it in. Stinker.
This one.
Yeah, we're gonna use that spoon for our extract, see? We're making rum.
This one.
Rum. Do you like rum?
Yeah.
Yeah, say, I love rum.
I love rum.
Yeah. See, it's very, very hot.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna pour it on, and it's very, very hot. So don't touch. Don't touch.
My baby. Those days.
We're gonna just let the hot cream sit on the chocolate.
This, don't on.
It's so hot.
Yeah, this don't on.
It's so hot. You gotta be so careful.
Yeah.
Is it icky?
Yeah.
Oh. You ready to stir it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stir it. You have to do it really carefully so it doesn't make a big mess.
Wow. The red.
It's so big.
The red. This red though.
It's really cold.
The red.
Red?
Yeah.
It's not really red, it's brown. Say brown.
Bone.
It's chocolate.
That's it. Bone.
Chocolate brown.
This eat it. I eat it. Eat this started.
You're gonna eat it?
Yeah.
You wanna eat the big bowl of chocolate?
Yeah.
You wanna just get a spoon and eat it like chocolate soup?
Yes.
Yeah.
My food.
No. Don't go get a spoon. I'll let you taste it in a minute, but we just gotta finish it first.
Get my spoon, please.
Not yet, not yet. All right, we gotta put it, you wanna dump this in?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be really careful. Whoa! Nice job.
Oh, the red mom.
What?
The red mom.
So fast? Is
Yeah.
mommy so fast?
Yeah.
Like a race car?
Yeah.
Zoom.
My red door.
Am I race car cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Red door. Red door.
Race car! Ugh.
Red door.
Should I be a tractor now and go slow?
Yeah.
Tractors go slow.
Red door.
Race car!
Red door. Red door. Red door.
Oh,
Red door.
race car makes me tired.
Red door. Red door.
Or slow tractor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Race
car. Okay, I
I
think that's probably enough. You ready? You want to do a taste test and see how many thumbs up? Okay. Is it good?
Yeah, I need more.
Well, you can have this, but how many thumbs up do you give it?
Eat victory.
Race car thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay. Race car is very high praise from Levi. Because race cars are his favorite.
More.
More? You want to lick it? You can hold it.
Yeah.
Here, you can hold it, and then you can just lick it off. There you go. All right, this is ready to pop into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours until it gets to the right consistency. I snuck out to run to the store. Normally I wouldn't go to Costco just to get oranges, but since I wasn't able to get those sausages last time I went, figured I'd go check and see if they're in stock. It is Sunday, and it is a Sunday in the holiday shopping season, so it may be a little busy. Didn't bring any kids with me because I just want to try to get in and out as quickly as possible. On the way, I stopped here to get gas. That's what I'm doing right now. And if you guys don't know, I'm in Oregon, and in Oregon, you're not allowed to pump your own gas. There's gas station attendants that do that. And a little known fact about me, I have pumped my own gas a total of 1 time in my entire life. So you guys can laugh at me. That's totally fine. All right, let's see what they have. Usually right here after the veggies. Don't see them. Still don't see them. Oh, that's disappointing. Those look pretty good. These are on sale, so I grabbed some of those. Looks like it's still no breakfast sandwiches for us. So sad. Come on, Costco, get with the program here. Well, even though they still didn't have my sausages, I still managed to spend $91.32. You can't come to Costco and just get one thing, right? That's just not how it works. I grabbed some more flour. I think I have one bag left, but since I was here, I figured I'd just grab another pack. These were on sale for $2 off, so $7.99 for this big pack of Smokies. I grabbed 2 of those. We really like those. I think I'm going to need one more bag of chocolate chips for the truffles, so I just grabbed that while I was here so I wouldn't have to come back. Avocado oil. I've been trying to use up coconut oil, but there's just some things that avocado oil works better for. Of course, I got oranges, way more than I need. I only need, like 2 or 3 for the zesting for the truffles, but you can't come to Costco and get 2 or 3 oranges. That's not how it works. I needed some more gloves. I let Autumn borrow some of my gloves last year and she lost them, so I grabbed those. And last thing, I picked up this book. It's by J.K. Rowling. She's the one who wrote Harry Potter. And I don't know anything about the book. I just know that she's a great author, and I got it for Talia because she's my voracious reader, and I thought she'd probably get a kick out of it. If any of you guys have read it or your kids have read it, let me know what you think of it. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and Levi's down for his nap, so I'm trying to get some more of this done. These are the rum truffles that Levi and I mixed up together. I just have to scoop them out onto the pan and then they go in the fridge for a few minutes until they're just hard enough to be able to pick up and roll into balls. I'm trying to get that done. I also mixed up the orange filling and that is in the fridge right now, hardening up. Talia's trying her hand at the scooping portion. Do you know what flavor that is?
Orange.
Yeah. Can you smell it?
Yes.
Yeah, that has
zesty.
The nice orange zest. It's so good. That's one of my absolute favorites of the chocolate variety. I think orange would be my top of the chocolate variety.
Aren't all of them chocolate?
Well, I mean like regular chocolate, because we have the white chocolate ones, but white chocolate is not the same as chocolate, right?
Yeah.
It's a totally different animal. You want to eat it? Yeah, you wouldn't like that if you ate it. Uh-oh, but we'll make you a truffle out of it to eat. What is that? It's yummy. These are chocolate sprinkles. Yeah, we're going to put them on the truffles. These are for the rum truffles that we made together. Yeah, go ahead. Beautiful. I love it. That was amazing. Did you get both of them in one pop? Whoa. Are they gone? I'm doing a small batch of the raspberry. I'm going to try it out with freeze-dried raspberries. I just crushed them up in the bag. Raspberry extract, of course, and then citric acid to give it that sour punch. And I had the idea that I want to try some with just a white chocolate coating. So it'll be kind of red in the middle with a white chocolate coating, and then some with a regular chocolate coating. So red in the middle with a chocolate coating, kind of like a chocolate covered raspberry. And we'll see which one the family likes better. a little bit too? Here, I have a spoon here. Ready to try it?
Yeah, really good.
What do you think? Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Really good.
Really good? Okay, yeah, I think it's really good too. Look at that. All right, we're gonna have a family taste test and decide if the chocolate coated or the white coated are better. We'll get the consensus. Look at that. And we're also having family movie night because Mulan is free on Disney Plus now, so we haven't seen it yet. So we're gonna eat truffles and have family movie night. Okay, we have white chocolate coated and like semi-sweet chocolate coated, and you guys need to test them and see which one's better, and we'll vote on which ones we should make. Levi's ready. You ready to try one?
Yeah.
Okay. Get one of the little ones. There you go. Grab one. Okay, try it. All right, Renee, you try one. Grab one of the halves of the white and one of the halves of the chocolate. Daddy, you can have a whole one of each.
I need to have the chocolate.
Which one is it? Which one do you need?
Grab one.
Do I get chocolate?
Yeah, each get a half of each. Okay. Levi still needs to have a half of a white. Everybody get some. Here, Levi, did you want this other little one?
Yeah.
Of course. This one right here. Yeah. All right. Does anybody have a vote yet?
I like the white more.
You like the white one?
Red has the white.
You like the white? Grandma, what do you like?
I kind of think I like the white too.
Yeah?
Everyone's liking the white.
I like the chocolate one.
Oh, Autumn has to be different. Levi, which one do you like better? The green one? Okay. Sounds great. All right, Dad. You're the last one.
Brown.
Really? Uh-oh. So I think I like the white one just a hair better, but they're both so good with the citric acid and everything, and the raspberry powder. Really, really good. So, I don't know. Now we have to figure out what we're going to do. I might just do half coated in white and half coated in the chocolate. And then when they're in the little packets for the gifts for everybody, it'll just be a variety, more of a variety. Maybe that's what I'll have to do because they're both so good.
Our ancestors.
But I broke her.
Some say the phoenix is consumed by flame and emerges again. I think she could survive a broken wing. Your chi is strong, Mulan.
What do you see on the movie?
I'm boy.
What are they doing on the movie?
Mr.
No, there's no race cars in this movie.